To begin, you need to change the format of the image. You can use the website Convertio to obtain the image in DXF format. Download the image and open SolidWorks. Click on Open and select the DXF file you downloaded. Select Import to a new part as. Click Next, define the unit of measurement. Click Next, and then Finish. To edit the sketch properly, right-click on Model and then select Make Edit Sketch. Proceed to edit the sketch. First, unify the elements of the sketch. To do this, click on Tools, then Spline Tools, and select Fit Splines. Confirm the operation. Since you will need to perform this operation multiple times, you can search for the Fit Splines tool using the search bar, or even pin it to the bottom toolbar. To position the origin at the center of the sketch, use a dashed line. To fully define the sketch, select all the elements and click on Fix. Finally, perform the extrusion operations using the same sketch. Great. To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.